Okay, guys, quick tutorial on sound and retiming. So, first off, to get your song into the video, into Final Cut Pro, it's this exact same process as doing your video. You hit the import button up at the top, that's that arrow up here. That arrow up here. And then just find where your song is. Most of you guys are going to be underneath your name, or your account name, and then underneath downloads there. And I've got mine here, and I've already preloaded them in. To get a song into your movie, wait, what song is this one? Nope, I don't want that one. Yeah, this one I want. To get yours into your movie, just take it and drag it to the very, very bottom of the screen. Now, take note, you can see the sound on your clips, and you'll notice, what do you guys see at the front of mine here? Does my song start immediately? No. So if yours is like mine, you're going to want to take your mouse, take it to the top, and clip off that couple seconds of silence at the beginning so that your song starts with your dance. Second, you can then turn down the volume on your main clip. You'll see your clip sound right below your clip's video. Just put your mouse over that yellow line and then turn it down. And then you should just hear the song that you just put in. We've only got about so I'm just going to leap ahead. You guys might not have enough time to do this. To change the timing on a song, if you notice, my dancers aren't quite on beat, so if you take a look at when they're stomping, it doesn't match the song. To retime, underneath your preview window up here, you have a little button that looks like a clock. That's where you retime. Most of us are going to want to hit custom, and I always like to do it by eye. I usually go up or down by 5s. So for instance, I think this one might work at 95 because I'm almost on beat, but not quite. So let's take a look. Do you guys think that was on time, or should I adjust it a little bit still? A little faster? So let's try 97. So generally you're going to, no, 97, not 100, 97. Yeah, I think they're on time now. 97 I think works. So some of this is just guess and check work. So change it to what you think it might be and then just double check the movements. So that's one of the reasons why I told you repeatedly, make sure it's a song that you like, because you're going to hear this dozens of times this week. Okay, we are almost out of time.